Friday, conditions remarkably improved on Maryland's shore as Hurricane Erin continues to pull out into the Atlantic. Here's a live look at the surf and the beach in Ocean City. The waves are still rough, and swimmers and surfers are being warned to stay out of the water. First Alert meteorologist Cutter Martin has been leading our coverage for days as the effects of Erin became more intense. He's been in Ocean City. He's on his way back now, but he sent this report just before he left.
I'm meteorologist Cutter Martin in Ocean City, right at the beach. What a difference 24 hours can make. You know, kind of a cliche there, but absolutely true here. Along the Maryland beaches, sun is up, the wind is down, waves gradually coming down after yesterday's, 10, 12, 15-foot swells and a peak tide, 4.87 feet at the inlet. That did cause some damage. Dumpster pushed into a truck. The parking lot was closed, and we're hearing of some bayside flooding along Philadelphia Avenue with yesterday evening's high tide. No major structural damage that we're hearing about, and this morning the weather has vastly improved, and I would say almost back to normal. Again, in the surf, you're not supposed to go out. We've seen a couple surfers this morning. Lifeguards say stay out of the water, but as long as you're in the sand, and there is certainly much more of it to be enjoyed today, better conditions. It's a stellar sunrise out here. That with the waves spraying up some of that white foam out there, it really is a gorgeous morning, and the weather will continue to gradually improve as we get into the weekend. So on the back half of the system, there has been quite a bit of coastal beach erosion. That is something we're going to be looking at for the next few weeks and through the remainder of the hurricane season. But so far, glancing blow, but boy, were those waves huge this time yesterday.
All right, thank you, Cutter. And here's a live look outside at the weather here at home. Skies are clear. The sun is out. The humidity is lower. It's an absolutely beautiful day. First Alert meteorologist Tim Williams out in the outback with a pretty nice weekend on tap as well, Tim.
It certainly is, Denise. I drew the long straw to come out here today. It is really absolutely gorgeous, and this is going to be the weather we have for today and into tomorrow. Really, the only problems we have inland from any of the storm is just a higher than average tide as far up into the mouth of the bay as about Anne Arundel County. Let's talk about our conditions. We're looking at a nearly perfect today and tomorrow. Really, if you go outside right now, this is what you'll be dealing with for the next 48 hours. Coastal concerns continue, though, and late shower Sunday is really the next chance we have of any precipitation. Let's talk about those flooding concerns. The red you see are flood warnings in effect. You see it for Anne Arundel County, primarily down near Annapolis. City Dock is closed, and down toward Caroline, and the counties down toward Worcester, down toward Salisbury, Crisfield, and even over toward Ocean City. Again, because the water is going to be inundated, and it's 1 to 3 feet above dry ground. And again, that is until things start to calm down. We'll see that through about Saturday afternoon. Right now, temperatures are close to 80 degrees across the entire area, and the scan is completely clear. We're going to be looking at temperatures staying in this 80 range today and tomorrow, and it looks like sunshine, blue skies, and clear skies overnight right on throughout. We'll have your complete forecast coming up for that week ahead in just a few moments. Denise, back into you.
All right, absolutely beautiful Friday as we take a look at the WJZ Outback. 82, but low humidity, perfect degrees. And I'm hoping this carries on for the next 2 days, Tim.
You know, it is really, really nice. It makes it hard for kids to go back to school Monday morning when you have a weekend like this just before you head back. What we are tracking here is, like you said, Denise, it's an extraordinary day. And the weekend, at least the first part, is going to be just like this. Saturday, much like today, is going to be exceptional. And then we're going to start monitoring some showers moving in on Sunday. So coastal concerns, still some rip current concerns and high tide concerns for the coast. And then through the weekend, great stretch of weather through Sunday early. And then late Sunday is when we start to look at the chance for some storms. The flood concerns are going to be with us through Sunday morning, roughly. It's just going to take a while for things to calm down. That storm has moved on out of here. We still have water bottled up in the bay. So we have flood warnings in effect for Annapolis. City Dock down there is closed, and we're looking at flood concerns down toward Worcester, Wacomico counties. Again, 1 to 3 feet above dry ground, and then we'll start to see the warnings dropping off into advisories through the weekend as things start to calm down. Now, as for the high risk, surf is still going to be a major concern. The high risk for the rip currents is going to be with us, and that's going to be with us until the lifeguards tell you it's not. They're just going to continue to monitor. So extremely hazardous conditions really from Chincoteague all the way up into Cape May and up into Atlantic City. So if you're going to be anywhere along the beaches, a lot of folks, of course, for this last weekend before school starts are going to be taking the time to go down to the shore. Just be very, very careful. And as for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, let's outline this for you. The surf, 5 to 8 feet for today. We're looking at it subsiding a little bit, 2 to 5 feet for Saturday. We're looking at partly cloudy conditions with surf 2 to 4 feet, and then roughly the same for Monday. So if you have a long weekend, that's what you can expect. Our temperatures today only going up another degree or so, maybe higher than where we are now. We're already sitting around 81 degrees. That's where we are area wide. So if you're going to be maybe using today to go down to see the Orioles and the Astros, well, 79 degrees at first pitch at 7:05, an extraordinary night. Clear skies, you'll see all the home runs flying right on over the wall. Now, as far as tonight, just very comfortable. Temperatures down around 60 degrees, 64 to 65 degrees around parts of the area. Just to keep in mind, 86 is our normal high now, at 65 is our normal low. We are right on target for the normal overnight low, but we're a little lower for the daytime high. Humidity, Denise mentioned this. We're going to be in the low humidity range, maybe a little more humidity as we head into Sunday. But as we get into the weekend, just know that across the state, we're looking at western Maryland, the Baltimore area, and the beaches. Sunshine straight on through today and tomorrow. And it's not until Sunday in the afternoon that we start to see the chance for some showers. We'll have your 7-day forecast coming up here in just a few moments. Denise? I can simplify this. You see sun every day except for late Sunday and into early Monday. Monday for back to school looks pretty dry, but the temperatures in the 80s and mid to upper 70s, it's going to be a pretty comfortable stretch.